Hello, my name is Ronnie Trawick, and I'm the owner and operator of Vapor Trail Marketing based out of Warner Robins. I spoke with someone earlier about providing a video that shows how a website can help bring in a lot of business for you, and I'm actually going to do a deep dive into your most direct competitor's website and see what they're doing to get ranked on Google. Um, but before I do that, I wanted to tell you a little bit about myself. Like I said, I'm the owner and operator of Vapor Trail Marketing. It's a one-man show. I'm the only person. I'm an Air Force veteran and a single parent, and I decided to try to put some of my online skills together to see if I could help some small businesses around here. Um, now, since you don't already have a website, I went ahead and pulled up your Facebook, which unfortunately hasn't been updated since the 25th of May. But the next thing I did was I went to Google and I actually typed in septic services, Warner Robins, Georgia, which is something that people might be searching for. And the first thing you see here are these ads, and you can see here Sergeant Septic and Rooter. They're paying for a Google ad. Unfortunately, most people just kind of glide right on over those. The next thing you see here is called the Map Pack, and I see you're here on the Map Pack, which is really good. And how you get here is by having a strong Google business profile, having at least 25 five-star reviews, and also having a lot of something that's called citations. Um, the more citations you have, the more legitimate, quote unquote, you look to Google. And all those are just your business listings in different online directories. Next, we're going to scroll down to these organic search results. As you can see here, the first thing that comes up is Yelp, and the second is Angie's List. And I'm sure you're aware that they charge to sling business your way. And the next thing that comes up is the Sergeant Septic and Rooter, which are the same guys that were paying for ads up here. So let's take a look at their website and see what they did to get up here on the first page and at the top of the list of actual septic guys. All right, so here's their website. It's a decent looking website. I mean, I'm not bashing it, but it's not fully optimized for Google. To really be optimized for Google, you want about 1,500 words of content with around one keyword per every 100 words. And I'll get into what keywords are here in just a minute. But first I want to click over to a tool that I use to really dig in and look at websites. So this is their website here. And the main things that we want to look at are this UR, DR, backlinks, and keywords. The UR is basically the amount of trust Google has in the website. The higher that is, the easier it is to make it to the first page of Google, which would translate to more customers. The next thing is this DR, which this helps power the UR some. And what this is basically the strength of your backlink profile. Here you can see they have 47 backlinks. What is backlink, you may ask? Well, a backlink is another website or a blog or a forum that has a link that points back to your website. They basically kind of lend some of their power or reputation to your site. If you haven't figured it out yet, Google is somewhat of a popularity contest, but it's important to note that not all backlinks are created equal. Blog that doesn't get very much traffic or doesn't have anything to do with septic or plumbing probably isn't going to provide as much power to a website as, say, a blog that somebody wrote about when you need to find someone to come pump your septic system and it has a lot of traffic. Like I said, they kind of lend power to your website. The other thing that I mentioned here was these keywords. These are the things that people are actually searching for on Google to find these businesses. The more you have, the more likely you are to be seen. But there is also a problem with an oversaturation. If you have too many, Google will kind of flag you as a suspicious website. So you got to be careful. That's why I only put about one per every 100 words to prevent that from happening. With all that said, that's the end of this assessment of your competition's website. If you have any questions or like to discuss anything as far as what can be done to make you a website to try to bring in more business, please feel free to contact me with any of the information on the screen, or you can call my personal number or text it. It's 478-442-2455. I'm available all the time, and I want to say thank you for watching this video, and I hope to hear from you soon.